Hi, today we're going to talk about asparagus. Now, it definitely have a lot of benefits. One, it helps detox the kidneys and your bladder. It helps in terms of your high blood pressure. Has definitely antioxidants and good source for iron and vitamin A and C, E and K. Uh, Asparagus people use that also for improving your digestion as well as weight loss. I'm going to have the information in the description box about the benefits as well. And so definitely check it out. I need your guys also to like and subscribe to the channel, The Evolution of London. And also, you check out my other YouTube channel and subscribe to that. Greatness 19 is our educational channel. So I need your guys to seek out that and like, subscribe. And I have other links to products that you will see in my description box that I would like for you to support as well. So definitely check it out. Always contact your local physician in terms of products, but I don't think it will be an issue with asparagus. But that's just a information I put out there. So until again, we'll talk soon and take care.